Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and doing well. Today we will talk about what is half. Okay, now we begin with our topic, what is half. Imagine this is a pizza. Okay, yes, this is a pizza and you have to cut this pizza into half. What is half? Let's do an activity and find out what is half. Okay. Damini and Ravi. Damini and Ravi are brother and sisters. Okay, this is an example. Damini and Ravi are brother and sisters. Once their uncle visited them from a very far off country, he brought them a new type of chocolate which looked like this. This is how that chocolate was looking like. The uncle told them to take half each, half for Damini and half for Ravi. Ravi took the chocolate and cut it into two pieces. Ravi hold the chocolate and cut it into two pieces. Okay. He gave one piece to Damini and kept one piece for himself. This piece was for Ravi and this piece was for Damini. But after seeing this, Damini started crying. You have not given me half. Do you think Damini was right? Damini got half or not? Ravi cut the chocolate into two equal halves or not? No. Can you tell me what was the correct way to cut this chocolate into half pieces? How can we cut this type of chocolate into half so that both of them get equal chocolate? Yes, we can cut this chocolate from this side. Let's see if this piece are correct or not. Yes, you all are right. Both the two pieces are of equal size. We have cut this chocolate actually in two halves. Then we can give one piece to Damini and one piece to Ravi. This is half and this one is also half. We write half as 1 upon 2 like this. Okay, let's see if this is our pizza. We can actually cut this into two equal halves. Yes, for Damini and Ravi, we can actually cut this pizza into two equal halves. So both of them get equal chocolates or equal pizza. I hope you understood the topic of half. Now we will do questions like this. Cut these in halves. We have to cut these in halves. Tell me the answers. How can we cut a rectangle into halves? Yes, we can cut this horizontally or vertically or even diagonally. How can we cut this triangle into two halves? Yes, we can cut like this. Half. How can we cut this triangle into halves? Yes, like this. Half. This way or this way? Yes. How can we cut this drawing into half? Like this or like this? Yes, this is the correct way to do half, because both the lines, both the area, both sides of this line are equal. Okay, let's find out why half is written as 1 upon 2. We have to say 1 by 2 or 1 upon 2. Let's find out why half is written as 1 by 2. This is known as fraction. Any number which is written in upon form like 5 and 4, 4 upon 5, we say this is in fraction. Okay, the upper part of this line is known as numerator and the below part is known as denominator. Now, to understand about numerator and denominator, we have to listen a story, an interesting story about pizzas. Okay, there are 3 pizzas and this boy is Rahul. His name is Rahul. Say hi to Rahul. Do you love pizzas? Yes, I love pizza too. Rahul loves pizza and he always wants to eat more pizza. This boy is Rahul and once he was invited for a party, pizza party by his friends. So when he walked into the party area, he found that his friends were sitting on 3 different tables and there was pizza on each of the table. Only one pizza on one table, okay? But his friends were sitting in such a way, like on table A, there were 2 friends and 1 chair were left. And on table B, there were 5 friends sitting and 1 chair is left. And on table C, there were 3 friends were sitting and 1 chair was left. And Rahul just wants to eat more pizza. He wants to just eat enough pizza, most of them. Okay, pizza on each table and each table they had left a chair empty for him. They were all looking at him wondering where he would sit. He was in a real dilemma. Where do you think Rahul would sit? Where would sit Rahul? On table A, on table B or on table C? As he wants to eat more pizza, we have to help him out on which table he should have to sit in order to eat more pizza. Let's find out and help Rahul. On table 3, the pizza will divide into 3 parts. Okay. Three parts. And Rahul will eat 1 part out of 3. 1 part out of 3. On the table B, he have 5 friends and if he will sit on table B, he will get 1 part out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He will get 1 part out of 6 parts. And if he will sit on table C, he will get 1 part out of 4 parts. Now can you help Rahul in finding on which table he will get the most pizza? Yes, he will have to sit on table A in order to get more pizza. Okay, if this is a pizza, okay, and if he will sit on table A, he will get 1/3 part, this part. If he sits on table B, the pizza will have to divide in 6 parts. And he will get this much part from table B. And if he sits on table C, he will get 1 part from these 4 parts. Now we can find out which part is bigger, 1/3, 1/6 or 1/4. Which part is bigger? Yes, 1/3. Now we can say, what is 1/3? 1/3 is 1 part out of 3 parts. 3 means denominator. Denominator is total number of parts. There are 3 parts. And numerator is about how much part we are talking about. We are talking about only 1 part. Okay, 1 part out of 3 parts. Same, 1 part, 1 pizza slice out of 6 pizza slices. 1 pizza slice out of 4 pizza slices, because Rahul is only get 1 piece, 1 pizza slice, and there were 4 pizza slices in total. So the denominator is total number of parts, and numerator is about how much part we are talking about. Okay, let's do some exercise. In this exercise, we have to shade the given fraction. In this part, we have to shade 1 part out of 3 parts. There are 3 parts and we have to shade only 1 part. In this part, there are total 8 parts. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have to shade only 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. In this part, we have 4 parts and we have to shade only 2 parts. And in the last part, we have to shade 5 parts out of 7 parts. 5/7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I hope you understood about numerator, denominator, half, and somehow about fractions. This is all for today. Thank you.